Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kania kan day kasnem bansa jingkan mau yakirang bat kithe Ïalehkai Kudo jong kajela. Ha kaba ha kane ka kenti. Bakilayo ya ka Jinghikai bakarpang na Hika ki badon benta ha kalengi jela kari bat syakiri jong ka perthe. Kajing ai Jinghikai ha kasien beningkong ya ka Kudo ha kajela kabala penlong ha maulai put mauri kalong kabajok ha kaba kumba shis paangur kilawan banishim benta ha kane ka jingsha hikai bala hikai da ushiban Jasmine Makwana u head coach jong kajela Maharashtra bat u Rinshi Priyak Rana u seminar in charge ha ka don lang uba penshai mauri u president ka Meghalaya Kudo Association habakren makinong tho khubor u president ka Meghalaya Kudo Association uba penshai mauri ula ai ka jingkhuble karpang ya kinong hikai kiblawan na Maharashtra bat na Gujarat ban Kyntu ya ka nikakam Ïalehkai ha ka jila ka jongi ula Kyntu ya ka tanat Ïalehkai bat ya ka Msoa ban ai ka jing Ithuh no ya ka Meghalaya Kudo Association khnang bakinla banishim benta ha ki tournament pher ki ban sa penlong ha ka lengkari bat chabar kari India ru kumju ulay Ithuh baka Kynhun ha usnem baladem kalayo banishim benta ha ka jingekop ka balalong ha Gujarat ha ka ba lawan ra ru shibun ki medal ula Kyntu ya ka Msoa bakan ai ka jing Ithuh no kloy khnang baki khna kinyo ya ka scholarship na ka sorkar lingba ka tanat Ïalehkai na kalyang u Rinshi Priyak Rana ulay Ithuh ba ka Kudo kadai ka jing Ïalehkai ka balas dang do aktor Akshay Kumar bat kadai ka jing Ïalehkai ka ba ki Khynnah kilawan banishim benta kim don kam ban COAA ulay Ithuh ba ka association ka shim ya ki senjam banyara bigi Khynnah ki ba Ïalehkai ki ba yo medal ba kinyo kam yo jam la kadai ha ki kam sorkar kam pulit kam shipai ni ha ki bang bat ha ki we khnang ba onom long ka jing ya ki hadin habut ulay Ithuh baka Kynhun ka ai Jinghikai ya ki kinthei ki ba nadu prasnem hadu praphosnem bat kinyo wanyada yaladi kataru khlem ga jing COAA bat hadu menta kila ai ka Jinghikai kumba lakngut
kalian jonga founder president bawan rakyat kene ka Kudo ini apa jelas bat kene ru kadika game ka ba danguyo wan ru mai angna menta kala don sistem lajan don sistem apa ngawan ra menta ngala pelong kene ka fast Meghalaya training camp Kudo ka ba ngala pelong hang ni apa kajaka panga Ïalehkai na kene na apa kasnang kumuri bala Ïalehkai yang ai ni Kynhah mentaru kene ka camp ru ngapelong hi hang ne hi namar ba kadang de kasin penikong yangi tegarau ngadang hawan pelak ini ceka nikong hi ngai kuble ya ye sansai jongi Jasmine kawaka badai member body jong ka national body haga juga poru ide head coach iba napo Pune Mumbai Maharashtra kumju ya Priyansa ibadai napo Gujarat Surat iba lawan ban ai ya training camp ya kini ki Khynnah jongi khnang ba Kynhah banya shimenta hakni ka championship lada ki pelong hakan lu kupot kilong ba expert tagadau ni nakalian ka jonga ru ngalak khat sobhaya ki ru dakaman sobha kilawan sine kilawan ai ka training klem jing don kata ka siu de ka kano ka iu ka jing bu kendon kilawan ban ai ban ki ini ki Khynnah ki jongi ki badon ne ka jala jongi te ngam dadon kentin pun ndrei kadai jing ai kadai ke jing ai kuble ngai yaki baki lawan ban nyerap ban kentiu lam ya kani ka jing Ïalehkai hang ne po jela jungi bat ini ke jing Ïalehkai hi ka dairu ka jing Ïalehkai ka bala Ithuh da ka ministry ka bala Ithuh da ka sai da ka kilo India bat ka fit bala Ithuh ke Indian fit itu ka bala Ithuh ke ngakwa ken ba hang ne po jela jungi ru kum na kalian ka sports department bat unjuk na ka Msoa Meghalaya State Olympic Association baki na jing Ithuh no employ kene ka game ke jungi namar ba lada ngingiyo jing Ithuh no employ na ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kumut Kynhah jungi ru lada kidon kam pali simenta sini setai kim dadan kam ya than hadu kata ke jing e ba kiba Kynhah pan ya sim da kiram kisah ni tai mas pang kisah i nilai bangin lagi bangin alang kata ke jingirap nak kalian sport department kumta tertet kumta hi ngar request kin ngar kepat hi ya kinung kmi nong kwet ya jong kami gelas di Olympic Ocean makin ai no ingi ya kata ka recognition ma kumta ke jing Ithuh ingi ya kanika Kudo ya ka Kudo Ocean of Meghalaya makan ai jing Ithuh no khamploy ingi nang ngiru nginang yo menteri khmat ya kini ka ba nang la punya khmat kalian kajonga kum dan wah ngakwa ban Kyntu yang sosial ma ban tepat yang ya ka government bat kumju ya ka Meghalaya Olympic Ocean ba kin ai no uwat ke jing Ithuh yangi nang bangin yo biar itu ke sponsorship ke bangi la dewan ban apply nadu men August 2025 bang ipan namanta kitu ki Khynnah kiba kiwan Ïalehkai sethi sepo surat Gujarat de ki ong nak te napo sport department ladang nyo kano ka chithi ka kum ka recognition neta napo ka MSW te ki Khynnah kila banyo ya ka sponsorship te kum tahi ken nakalian ka jongaru kum tau nong yalam ngar request ken ya ka request da kam sim ku pasmurit hi ngar request ki bakin ai no kam kloy ngi kata ka jing Ithuh nakalian ka MSW kan ai no kam kloy ngi ka jing Ithuh kenang ba ka nakalian ka sport department ru kanyo no kam kloy ban ai no yangi ki jingiram ya kita ya gini ki Khynnah ki ba la ban ra ya ka nam ka buram bangadu nganyo ban panpai no ya ka pisa ka jongki namar kum bang ong hi namar ki Khynnah ki Ïalehkai ha ka martial arts hi bun ki Khynnah ki dei ki bawan na kalongi ki baduna ka yo ka kot te hapor bakile pensim pantai ka Ïalehkai ru bun baki kmi ki pa ki sim da karam da ka sya te khnang ba lada ngi yo kalat ka jingirap nakalian ka sports department nakalian ka sarkar ka ano ka jingirap ingi ngaru nganyo ban panpai no kin yaki te tang itahi iba ngakwa ban persngau please
Japanese mixed combat sport and it was fought in India by Shihan Akshay Kumar our film star and Anshi Mehulwara sir and in the year 2013 19th October 2013 Kudo is mixed, we cannot say mixed martial art, but it is a mixed combat sport where the combinations of karate, taekwondo, kickboxing, boxing, muay thai, judo and jujutsu. These all games are there in the martial art. If a student who is learning Kudo, he is going to a school of martial art where he learns many martial art. 7 to 8 martial arts. So we got our benefit and it is the fastest growing martial art in the world nowadays and strongest martial art we can say in the world. So now we got recognition in the month of in the year 2018 by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So after that the students, those who are playing nationals, they are achieving their medals, certificates, and they are participating in higher Eurasia Cup, Asia Cup. They will be going, and they are going also, and we have achieved many medals in the World Cup also, Eurasia Cup also, Asia Cup also. Now our next team is going to Georgia for the Eurasia Cup. So the main I want to say is we are not taking the Mehulwara sir and Akshay sir. This is the great opportunity by them and they are working hard. And this is our first seminar, state seminar to Meghalaya under President Pensai Mauri sir. So the students, those who are playing martial arts, Kudo, are getting the certificates in the nationals and internationals level. They are getting the jobs in the central government grade C, where we have got many students in income tax, GST, CGST, post, railways, police, forest departments, and many more. So to say is the child who is learning, the girl who is learning, the boy who is learning, he is learning full contact martial arts, but due to the protections, we have used head guard, your hand gloves, chest guard, shin guards, and every protection with the gum guards and groin guards. So it is a protective and the strongest martial art, we can say. Meghalaya is, we can say this is the first state seminar, and Meghalaya is not so big. It's having only 7 to 8 districts, Whereas Myntoi sir Maurice sir is working very hard, and we have got in this seminar we have got at least 100 students, those who are coming in a group and an hour from morning to evening, and we are teaching by them. So as this place is small place, we don't occupy the many students added together, so we are calling them 1 hour batch and all these things. So the future of the students are doing very good, they are very smart and they are very interested. So we want from your side, social media, and from the government department of Meghalaya, we are trying, Myntoi sir is trying to get Kudo registered in the Sports Council as well as in the Olympic Association of Meghalaya. So this is your from your side of you should help just new and fastest growing martial art in your state. For our national tournament, federation tournament and international Akshay Kumar tournament was held at Surat Indoor Stadium, where Meghalaya team has already participated, many students, and they have achieved good medals also. So we can say the first achievement was very good, and they are training very good. So the future of these students are very good. Also the referees, the coaches, they are also trying very good. So from your social media, you can promote this game, because many martial arts are there, but they are not trying for the benefit of the students, whereas Kudo is very much helping each student to grow and to get the jobs, to make their future in this sport.